Welcome to HBLEE.
Welcome to HBLEE.
Welcome to HBLEE.
Welcome to HBLEE. Welcome to HBLEE. Welcome to HBLEE.
Welcome to HBLEE.
Welcome to HBLEE.
Welcome to HBLEE.
Welcome to HBLEE.
Hi, my name is Sophia.
Hi, my name is Megan.
Welcome to the WeekLEE News.
Today's Wednesday, September 21st.
This is episode 3.
Happy Hispanic Heritage Month. Here's our first segment about it.
Welcome to Hispanic Heritage Month interviews. I'm Michael.
I'm Wissam.
We're going to interview people.
We're going to ask them what their favorite Hispanic food is and their favorite artist.
Okay. Who are you?
Mayron.
Allison.
Hi, I'm Miss Serrano.
My name is Celia Lozano.
Hi, I'm Miss Sands.
My name is Kevin.
Hi, I'm Miss B.
What's your favorite Hispanic food?
Pozole.
Nice. What's your favorite Hispanic food?
Tamales.
My favorite Hispanic food is enchiladas. It's tortillas with like this kind of salsa on it, and it has usually chicken in it. It's really good. I'd highly recommend it.
Tacos.
Carne asada is one of my top, but my very favorite homemade sopa de fideo con papa.
My favorite Hispanic food is something called chicana with rice.
Tamales. My favorite food is mofongo or mango, which are two kind of types of mashed plantains with a bunch of fried things.
Now, what's your favorite Hispanic artist?
Selena.
That's crazy. Now get on out of here.
Better Bunny.
This one's a little bit obscure. My dad played it for me a lot when I was little. It's specifically a song. It is Cri Cri by Francisco Gabolindo. It was on this Mexican radio show, and it was just about this little cricket. And my dad used to play it for us a lot when I was younger.
Santa Fe.
Es la buena armado.
That would be A.B. Quintanilla and the Cumbia Kings.
My favorite Hispanic artist would be Selena or Cecilia Cruz.
I like Ivan Cornejo and Danny Lux.
My favorite artist for reggaeton is Daddy Yankee. For bachata, one of my favorite types of music is Raulín Rodriguez. And Selena I had to put on there too. And for merengue is Juan Luis Guerra.
And what's your favorite thing about your Hispanic heritage?
My favorite thing would have to be how close my family is. So back where I'm from in Pasco, I have all of my aunts and uncles. We live about like maybe within 10 minutes of each other. So usually every weekend over there, it's like this big family get together because that's usually when we're all free. And I love that.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think what I like most about our culture or my heritage is that we're very lively people. We love food, we love music, and we love family.
That's cool. Thank you for being here.
Yeah, thank you.
Favorite part of my Hispanic culture is that we are very family oriented.
My favorite part of my heritage is that there's so many people that share the language from the Dominican Republic, which is Spanish, and we all have our little kind of own sazon or spice to it, and I appreciate the diversity.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you to Michael and Wisam's group for interviewing those people.
Next up, we want to remind you about Picture Day.
It will be on Monday, September 26th.
Wear your best outfit because you'll see your picture in Student View and it'll be in the yearbook too.
Our next announcement is about counselor request form.
They'll create a new way for you to schedule a meeting with them.
If you ever need to meet and talk to your counselor, find one of these posters around the school.
Scan the QR code and you'll be able to schedule a meeting with them.
They would love to talk to you.
Tomorrow, September 22nd, is open house. It's from 5:30 to 7 p.m.
All families and students are invited to open house to meet teachers and staff members.
There'll be a scavenger hunt, and if students fill out their card with signatures from all their teachers, they could turn it in for a raffle prize.
See you there. The Sun After School program is starting up soon.
There are many classes offered for the fall.
soccer, school support, basketball, dance, photography,
orchestra practice, arts and crafts, gaming club, and creative writing.
D&D, woodworking, sneaker school, mindfulness Mondays, science club, and board games.
Turn in your form as soon as you can.
I'm Ariana.
I'm Emma.
I'm Kaylee.
I'm Miss Rania.
And this segment's about the Sun After School program.
What is Sun?
Sun is after school activities and clubs. You can sign up for any of the ones on this billboard. And if you have any questions about how to sign up, we're in room 201, and you can stop by any time to talk to me.
Here are the forms.
These are the registration forms. Turn them in hopefully by the end of next week so we can get you signed up for classes.
Do you remember the WeekLEE News Raffles from last year?
Oh yeah, we haven't forgot about them. They'll be coming back next week.
Next week, advisory teachers will pass out raffle tickets for you to win fun prizes.
Last year we had prizes like LED lights, portable iPad chargers, pizza with friends, Bluetooth LED alarm clocks, and more.
To participate, you just need to make sure you're in advisory class for a chance to get a raffle ticket.
So starting next week, Wednesday, you'll get your first WeekLEE News Raffle ticket.
That's it for this week's news.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for watching the WeekLEE News.
Welcome to Hispanic Heritage Interview. Wait, what is it?
Hey, what's your name?
Kevin.
Read that.
Hi, my name's Ariana.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Miss Rania.
And we're... My name's Ariana.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Miss Rania.
And this segment's about...
Daddy Yankee. So Selena. Oh no, wait. Can I do that over? Sure. Okay. My favorite part of. Let me do that again. My favorite part of